Good morning, super second graders. Today for lesson 9-6, we're going to talk a little bit more about the ungroup method and the expanded method. I just want to go over those again with you guys because that is what your work will be for today. So here we go. So here's my screen. So we have the expanded subtraction method, and we're going to do that over here. And then we have the ungroup first method. So we kind of want to discuss why we do these and just discuss these two ways to subtract. Well, the expanded first method that we do, it does take longer than this method. But when we do the expanded method, we get a better visual of what is being taken away and borrowed, what's being carried and added. We understand more on those words and more on what's happening. Once we get this, then we go to the ungroup first method because this makes sense. So now this ungroup first method will make sense. And maybe some of you, you just know this, you understand it, and that is awesome. But if you don't know this yet, we're going to get there. So I'm going to do the expanded method here first, and then go over here and do the ungroup first method and see if we get the same answer, because we have 75 minus 47, and over here 75 minus 47. Okay, again, I know some of you like to do this, so I'm going to do it. Here are our ones and our 10. So again, I am doing the expanded subtraction method right now. So we start with our tens, and 7 tens is 70, and 4 tens is 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, okay? Oops, that's 4, okay? And then 5 ones is just 5, and then 7. Again, with the expanded subtraction method, you can see easier what you can and can't do, okay? So I know we have to do a little bit of addition and a little bit of subtraction, but that is how that looks. So we can't take 5 minus 7. I can't give you 5 of something and then you take 7 away. So we need to borrow. And I am actually, okay. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we're gonna give me 1 second. And 5. Okay, so I'm gonna move my computer down like I did last time, and I hope this works that you guys can see this. Okay, so I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I have to take from this 70 and give a 10 over to my 5. Okay, so this becomes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And if I add 10 and 5, this 5 now is 15. And now I'm able to subtract. Okay, so then we have to do, what is 15 minus 7? Well, I know that 7 plus 7, our doubles, is 14. So then 7 plus 8, one more, is 15. So 15 minus 7 is 8. And what is 60 minus 40? So if I have 60 here, and I take 40 away, 10, 20, 30, 40. Oh, whoops, I counted this one. I'm not supposed to be over here. Whoops, my mistake. So now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. If I take 4 away, I'm left with 10, 20. Okay. 60 minus 8, or whoops, minus 40 is 20, and then we have to do 20 plus 8, and that equals, I'm just going to put that down here, 28. So our answer, 75 minus 47 is 28. That is the expanded method. Let's go over and try the ungrouped first method. So again, when we use the expanded method, we practice this so we understand what we're taking away, what we're borrowing. That's why Miss Mystic uses her 10s and 1s. So it's an easier visual for us because we're going to go from doing this and get to the ungrouped first method. So now I look over here, and again, if you want, if you need, draw your 10s and 1s so you're organized. And then can I do 5 minus 7? Can I give you 5 of something and you take 7 away? No. That means you need to come over, you need to borrow. This 7 becomes a 6 because I'm taking 1 10 away. And we add it over to our 1s, and that becomes a 15. And now we can subtract. 15 minus 7, well, 7 again, using our doubles and what we know, 7 plus 7 is 14. 7 plus 8 would be 15. So 15 minus 7 is 8. And 6 minus 4 is 2. There we go. That is the expanded subtraction method and the ungrouped first method. If you do this on your work, you're not wrong. If you do this on your work, you're not wrong. I want to show you guys this so we understand our place value, we understand our 1s, we understand our 10s. And then when we get bigger numbers, we understand our 100s, our 1000s, because that's going to help you when we get to more place value and do expanded form. Okay? So, my friends, that is your subtraction. It's going to seem like a lot of subtraction, but we want to get super good at that. So we're going to get a lot of practice in. Okay? So that is that, superstars. Yeah. Alrighty. Thanks, guys.